ISRN wishes everyone a very happy New Year 2026. As we step into a new year of hope and purpose, let us take a moment to reflect on ISRN's impactful journey through November 2025. We begin on the global stage. ISRN marked a strong presence at COP30 in Belém, Brazil, with our CEO, Mr. Santosh Gupta, representing India as a government delegate. From participating in the National Leaders Plenary to speaking on global solidarity and climate justice in the heart of the Amazon, ISRN amplified India's voice on renewable energy, inclusive development and ethical climate finance. Key discussions with the Union Minister, Shri Bhupender Yadav, at the Indian Pavilion further reinforced our shared vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 through global cooperation. Back home, collaboration remained central to our work. ISRN entered into a strategic collaboration with Nataraj Niketan Sansthan, strengthening collective efforts around clean water, livelihoods, agriculture and sustainable development across urban, rural and tribal India. In healthcare, Swasth Jeevan Express, our mobile medical unit supported by Concour CSR, continued to bridge last-mile gaps in Balia district of Uttar Pradesh. In November, over 1,300 beneficiaries received doorstep medical care, supported by diagnostics, medicines and health counseling. Preventive awareness sessions and timely interventions, like the care provided to 70-year-old Hira Muni, highlighted how accessible healthcare can restore both health and dignity. In education, November marked a milestone for the Uttam School project, supported by IRCTC CSR in Balia district of Uttar Pradesh. With upgraded infrastructure, digital learning facilities, safe sanitation and child-friendly spaces, the school now stands transformed, ready to nurture holistic learning and well-being. Our agriculture initiatives also gained national visibility. An ISRN-supported Zajna FPO showcased farmer-led products at India International Trade Fair 2025, generating sales of over 3.5 lakh and opening new market opportunities for rural producers. Strengthening governance, ISRN successfully convened both its governing board and advisory board meetings, reviewing progress across health, education, agriculture, climate action, research and development and capacity building, while charting a clear path forward. Under its Cybersecurity Empowerment Program, ISRN highlighted the growing digital risks faced by civil society organizations. Emphasizing that cybersecurity is critical to personal safety and democratic resilience, ISRN promoted cyber hygiene, safe communication and data protection to help organizations safeguard themselves against evolving digital threats. In public health awareness, ISRN highlighted cervical cancer prevention and HPV vaccination through an experience-sharing article by Shri Jagat Kinkhabwala, ISRN board member and Sparrow Man of India. The article emphasized prevention, early screening and affordable technologies, supported by CSR initiatives and partnerships in Gujarat, underscoring how timely detection and awareness can significantly reduce cervical cancer risk across India. Through its Knowledge Hub, ISRN further strengthened digital literacy by introducing foundational concepts on cyberspace, safe internet usage and online responsibility, especially for students and young netizens. As we move forward into 2026, ISRN remains committed to amplifying knowledge and building a safer, healthier and more resilient society. You can be a part of this journey. Scan the QR code to support ISRN's work and help us continue creating meaningful and grassroots impact. Thank you.